Today I'm filming a makeup illusion on my hand. I'm going to make it look like parts of my hand are missing and underneath you can see the bone. And I'm using my Mehron paint palette to do this. I use black paint to make parts of me disappear, and then I'm also going to use modeling wax, pieces of vinyl bottle cap, and Pros-Aide Prosthetic Glue for today's look. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Like you, I actually don't know what the makeup is going to look like until the very end. I don't do practice runs, I don't do trial runs. I film and then I look at the monitor to see how the illusion sells, and it's always really exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you too. If you have suggestions for other makeup illusions I should do, please be sure to comment what I should do next. I'll see you next time.